here we got more eBay packages with boxes now. First, I'm gonna unbox this little box. Got the shipping labels off for every one of the box, every box. My bad, I left one of the stickers on the box that had my edges. Anyways, see what's inside. Got a General Electric Deluxe White Mercury Vapor Lamp. This is 3,900 Kelvin. I'm going to open it for you. Oh, the one that shows the box. Making sure the R tube is intact. Like it is. Yep. Nothing's rattling around in here. That is good news. I like these bulbs. Pretty rare technology these days. It's being replaced by stupid LEDs. Very, very nice bulb. It's a modern GE. But it's still very nice. Just because it's modern doesn't mean it's horrible. Let's take a look at this. Good. Just reading my legs. I got my speaker, ceiling speaker. Definitely keeping it for sure. Despite not having a transformer. It's still a main intercom speaker though. I just prefer transformers and stuff like that. Let's get that out of the way. Stop. There's peanuts. It's little full peanuts. I will have to clean that shit up. I'm gonna pause for a second to clean this up. Okay, I got most of the peanuts put away in the box, thrown away. So let's move on. Gotta be careful though. Hope I didn't scratch that. I do care about the aesthetics a lot. So much tape. Holy shit. Got my scissors. Yeah. Tough. Wonder if it's covered from the top. Nope. That looks like it's in good shape. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, this is a very nice outlet sound ceiling speaker. But carefully remove the grill if I can. See, very nice. I like it. That's a nice coaxial driver. I mean, not coaxial. It's the volume controls installed inside the speaker. Wonder what tab I should set it at. Oh shit, the speaker's fine though. Oh wait. I think I got tapped at 16 watts now. Let me know if I did something wrong. Got the grill on. Let's move on to this box now. Very nice. Got a sound masking speaker. Looks like it came in perfect shape. Yep. It is very heavy though. But I'm gonna move this aside. Let's take a look at the spec of speaker I got recently. Looks like it came in perfect shape. This is not a Specco. Or it's a newer one. It's still pretty good though. Or one of the older ones though. Very nice stuff. Let's set this aside. Here's the last box. Got some bat cans. These are Bogan RE84. Looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. They even come with the hardware too. It's like mounting hardware. That's screws though. It sucks. Anyways, they came in good shape. Very nice and big. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.